What's the biggest thing for someone trying to sell their home that you would give when you're giving advice? What are the important points
Steps and procedures
yeah,
type
to
thing.
keep in mind when you're trying to sell your house?
First of all, I always think upkeep is like detrimental because people are now, if they're going to be spending top dollar, because like we mentioned, the prices haven't gone substantially down, right? Like they're still high as they are. And so if you're going to pay top dollar, like the person is really going to analyze and say like, am I able to afford this? They're taking everything into consideration. So you've got to, make sure that your house is being well looked at and taken care of, and because people are looking at that, they want to make sure it fits the bill. I always tell my clients, make sure anything that you think is like not right, get it fixed, get it done. We don't want any surprises when it comes to inspection. I'm the type of broker where I believe let the buyer do their own inspection. I mean, I'm probably gonna get slack for this, but some brokers do a pre-listing inspection so people are aware of all the defaults and whatnot, or if the client can fix certain things. But at the end of the day, the buyer has the right to do their own inspection. It's a buyer's interpretation, right? So it's just let the buyer do it, and we'll deal with it when it comes. So that's just my way of working. But with that being said, I think I tell my clients, look, whatever you think, we're declaring everything. Fix what you need to fix. I give them recommendation too. I always go around the house. I tell them what to do, what to fix. I do home staging, so that helps too. I give them little tips and tricks, show them what to do during visits. My big thing too is now it's families, right? Or couples, and they just kind of want to make sure they're not being bothered. A lot of people are still working from home per se, so I have to navigate a schedule. I've got to navigate what's easier for them to do showings, children's toys, what to do with them. So right now, it's really just guiding the sellers to make sure that they know what they're doing in all aspects. So if there's a visit, this is what's happening. If this is what we're doing for an open house, these are the times, the dates, what I'm doing. This is the marketing of it, the everything. I'm giving them the nitty gritty on everything. And basically knowing their rights, especially if it's their first time selling, like what's implicated. Like people are astonished at the notary fees because people don't even know as a seller that there's notary fees.